fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some items from my friends over at FGNormal. A big thank you to them for sending me the items. I actually have done a canvas from FGNormal before. It was a seahorse, I believe, for an event. Oh gosh, last year or so. If I can find it, I will stick a link up there in the corner so you guys can check it out. It has been a while, but I did do one. So when they contacted me, I was like, yes. So I went to go have a look at their store and see what else they had, and I found some things. Now, I've got some canvases that I'm excited to show you, but I also have some kind of not canvas items, and this is a box of washi tape. So this is specifically Christmas themed washi tape, which again may seem weird that I'm buying Christmas things in the middle of the year, but I like being able to kind of pick and choose when I'm sending out my random acts of kindness. So having the ability to, look at these different kinds of washi tape and pick out something that would go with whatever kit I might be sending to someone, or just, as something fun. I like having lots of different options. So it's got like this one has little ornaments on it. This one has like little hearts and stockings, and then we've got like the candy cane stripe. Uh, Gingerbread men on this one. We've got Christmas trees and candy on this one, and then Christmas trees and snowmen on the red one. And I just thought that was really fun. And of course, you can see they're different sizes. Um, I don't know that I have a specific use for something this big. I might cut that one down, but for people who section off with washi tape, that might be a nice idea. You could actually cut it in half when you're doing your sections. So, and then this is about the width that I like for washi taping the outside of my canvas. So we have this, and this was $4.81. So, and you can see it's got a picture here on the back of all of the different washi tapes and what they look like. So there's that. Okay, and then I have 3 canvases. So let me just pick one and get started here. This one's already open a little bit, so pull the canvas out here. Okay, this is, you guys, I've been telling you, I've done a couple of other unboxings now that these budget companies are carrying some more vintage artwork, public domain artwork, and I found this one. So this is, well, I'll show you in a minute. So standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen, and then it is a round kit. So you can see we've got our drills right here. And here is the painting. This is a portrait by Raphael, the artist. And oh gosh, I really should start writing these down. It's some noblewoman that he did a portrait of. And I can't remember her name off the top of my head, but excited to see, like I said, the public domain artwork, and especially some of these vintage pieces showing up. So people have lots of choices if Summer with the Masters continues, which I'm hoping it will. So this is, like I said, a 30 by 40. So let's measure this. It is over 24 and a half. And then lengthwise, what will we call this? This is slightly under 34 and a half, so probably 24 and a half by 34 and a half. So we do get a schematic on both sides, and it does have the DMC codes on both sides, so that's awesome. Love it when I get my DMC codes. It is nice and sticky. And then I'm just going to bring this up and see. Again, this is one of those, the newer style where they kind of print it and then symbols get put on top of it. I'm not seeing anything that I think is going to cause me issues as far as being able to tell. There are quite a few dark colors. Not my favorite to see B's and R's right next to each other, but the B's are obviously black and the R's are obviously blue, so it shouldn't be a huge issue. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell from the thumbnail there what it's going to look like, but again, just excited to see, you know, some of these vintage pieces showing up so that you can do them. So let's see, let's look at the drills. Okay, so let's just start at the end here. Oh, these actually look really good. I don't see, oh, there's maybe a few dimples, but not a lot, and they're not deep. So, okay, so we've got some kind of light gray, and then we've got 3 bags of black, because of course there's black in our hair. A lot of this down here is black, very dark. So 3 bags, still not terrible. Another light gray. We've got a blue, and then more of a cornflower blue. We've got like a burnt orange. We've got another gray. And then we've got these 2 kind of mustardy yellow colors, a darker one and a lighter one. A red, a dark gray. Then we've got like a flesh tone, and then a more peachy color. We've got a chocolate brown, a very bright blue, another kind of dark peach, some brown tones in it, a mint green, another dark brown, and then we've got some lighter colors here. We've got a light peach, a very pale mint green, an even lighter pale peach, like a mocha color, and then just a very few white, which are right here in the like sleeves, where that'd be some kind of fur on her garment. So yeah, 23 colors, which is a nice amount of colors for the size that this is. Let me figure out how to fold these all back up again. It's like origami some days, I think, you guys. Trying to figure out how they all get folded back in here so that they all go nicely back in the package. So yeah, again, excited to see. This one is smaller than the other vintage ones that I had before. The ones that I showed you guys before were 30 by 60s. This one is a 30 by 40, so maybe a little more approachable, a little easier for people who don't necessarily want something quite as large as a 30 by 60. And this one was $6.02. So there's that. And then let me open this one and see what we've got. And this one, if I can get it rolling here. This canvas, these canvases are a little more of the what we're used to with the stiff. Okay, so this is obviously another round kit. We've got standard toolkit, plate of wax, pink pen, and let me move some of this stuff out of the way. And this is just a very simple 30 by 30. Now, this could be part of my 30 by 30 challenge, but I also thought it would be nice to kind of have on my back burner in case I don't get around to it until next year. I didn't really have anything fitting for Pride this year, so I will have this one available should I want to do something like that. And I just love the rainbow. I thought it was really pretty. Okay, so 30 by 30. Let's measure. It is 25. I'm going to guess by 25. Yes, 25 by 25. And it is 19 colors. We do get a schematic on both sides. So we have one here and one here. We do get DMC codes, which is awesome. Love it when they give me the DMC codes. And it is nice and sticky. And this one seems really clear. One of the other reasons I thought this would be a good one, you guys know I'm always working on my multi-placing skills. So lots of purple multi-placing here, obviously. And I'm hoping that these letters are large enough that it actually comes through and is legible. I'm always hesitant about ordering canvases that you actually have to diamond paint the letters, because if they're not very big, sometimes it's hard to read. But I think these are big enough that they'll be all right. All right, let me find the edge of the drills here so we can open these. Okay. So as I said, we've got 19 colors, which is more than I would have anticipated with it just being a rainbow. So, okay. They actually look really good. I don't see dimples. Well, there's maybe a few, but good. So we've got this very kind of pale, very pale turquoise, a very bright yellow, and then we've got 2 packages of this purple. I'm assuming because we have this big purple heart and then some purple down there. Kind of a slate blue, a very bright coral, a bright orange, a pale yellow, a blue, kind of a bubblegum pink, a green, a Kelly green, a very pale peach, an orange, a sky blue, a dark pink, a pink, a lighter blue, kind of a yellowish brown. That's almost like a caramel color. You guys, do you say caramel or caramel? I use both, but I use caramel more often. But what do you say in your neck of the woods? Is it caramel or caramel? Do you drink salted caramel or salted caramel? I'm curious. And then white, of course, for the letters and all of the splotchy kind of paint. So yeah, I think this one looks like it will be a lot of fun, quick and easy. I mean, you know, as quick and easy as a 30 by 30 gets, but also, again, like I said, something that I could use for a Pride event, because I didn't have one that was suitable this year, and I like doing events. It's fun. Even if I'm not doing it for the prizes, just participating in it and the sense of community is nice. So there is quite a bit of confetti, some down here. But again, 8s and 3s are the ones here. So not thrilled that those are together, but doesn't look like the rest of them, the rest of the colors are going to have any issue. So probably a light board for that bottom section of it, but it's cute and I like it. And this one was $6.07. And then my last one here, let me find the opening of it. I thought this one was super cute too. Ooh, this one is the thinner, more, oh yeah, much thinner canvas, easy to roll up. Look how tight I can roll that one. Much, much thinner. Love that. Okay, so standard kit, boat plate of wax, pink pen. And you can see our drills here. This is again another round kit. This one, look how cute this is, you guys. It's that stained glass style that I love so much. And it's these cute little birds. And it's blue and it's pretty. And yeah, I saw it and I was like, ooh, that's a must have. So there's the little thumbnail of it. This again is a 30 by 30. And let me measure it and see what it actually measures. It is 25 by, oh, it's 25 by about 24 and a half. So it's a little bit wider. Yeah, it's like 1 centimeter or 1 millimeter below 25, but only 24 and a half. So not quite square, but almost. And I just thought this one was really cute. Only 19 colors. It's nice and sticky. Now I will say, just looking at this one, probably for a lot of people going to require a light board. fun fact about me, I have light boards. I very rarely use them. I generally turn them on at the very end to go back over a canvas and make sure I don't have any glaring holes where I've missed a drill. But I don't typically like diamond painting with the light board on. I actually find that causes me more eye strain than if I have a good overhead source of light. So I have a little magnifying light stand. It is a light and a magnifier. I don't really use the magnifier too much. I use it mainly for the light because I can direct the light exactly where I want it so I can see what I'm doing. Anyway, tangent aside, we've got 19 colors, like I said. We do have the DMC codes on it, so that's awesome. It was nice and sticky. So let's look at our drills. I'm going to have to start narrowing down which of these I'm going to be using for my 30 by 30 challenge. It's getting close enough. I've got to start doing that. Okay. So, some dimples on the drills, but I don't see a lot of trash or anything. So we've got this very dark purple, a burgundy almost, a light gray, a slate blue, black. So not too much black considering that's probably the whole outside frame. A gray, and then a dark gray. And then we've got this kind of very like coffee milk color almost. You know, when you put too much milk in your coffee, that's the color it looks like. A very pale yellow, another slate blue with some stowaways, a light blue, a dark blue, a very dark chocolate brown, a mauve, it's like a sage green, like a navy blue, that cornflower blue, a baby blue, it's like a mocha, chocolate mocha color, and then a very light tan. So there's the colors for this one. Let's see how this all goes back together. Okay. You guys, again, sometimes folding these up to get them back in the packages takes me longer than anything else. It's kind of crazy. Watch those people in the factory who do this just... Not me. Okay, and this one was $4.81. So just as a recap, we've got our lovely little hummingbird mosaic. Not hummingbird, just bird mosaic. And then we've got our pretty rainbow, Spread Love Rainbow. We've got our Noble Lady by Raphael, and then we've got our box of Christmas washi tape. So yeah, as always, guys, I will put links in the description box down below so that you can go check all of these items out for yourself and anything else that might catch your eye while you're shopping. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.